Wow. Hey, what is up, guys? Chris here with another video, and today we are going to unbox the PS5 and the DualSense controller. I picked up an extra one at Best Buy. Process was pretty smooth, but let's get right to it. I ended up getting the regular edition. I didn't get the disc edition, but you guys want to see the back of the box real quick? That's the side. Here's the back of the box. And then here's that other side. So again, this is the digital edition of the PS5. You can see on the back it says 800 right here in the corner. I don't even know if you can see it, but it says 825 gigs. Put this to the side. The controller right here. Some manuals. Got your USB-C cable. The PS5 stand, I'm assuming. Yep. Your HDMI cable. This thing is ridiculously big. There she is in all her glory. That's a big boy. Jesus Christ. My goodness. Alright, so on the back here, we got, two USB 3.0s, it looks like. You got your Ethernet cable. Your Ethernet port, and then your HDMI port, and the AC adapter goes there. And then on the front side here, we got a USB-C and another USB 3.0. Looks like it has a little Thunderbolt sign next to it right here. I don't know if you can see that. And then the power button right here. But Jesus Christ, look at that thing. Where does this thing go? Maybe we should read the manual, huh? Most likely I'm going to stand this thing up because it's just so big. Place the console with the rear side facing up and then remove the screw cap. Alright. I don't have a screw though. So, oh wait, here it is. Duh. It's inside the little, in the back. So basically this plate comes here, but you have to have this oriented the right way, because if it's not oriented the right way, see, it won't work if you're trying to do it vertical. So you have to have it oriented the right way so that the hose goes through. Pop it in there and then pop the screw in. So now that the base is on, that's what it's gonna look like. Pretty stable too, it's not going to go anywhere. And then what we have here is the DualSense controller. Feels way nicer in the hand. Then yeah, this one's wider. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of feels like an Xbox controller, except you got your two thumbsticks here. And the L1 is definitely bigger on the DualSense. You got your PS button. This one's literally the logo. It's not a circle anymore. And then you got your mic input on the old one. Your headphone jack input right here on the new one. And this one comes with the mic. So I guess it turns red when the mic's muted. There's a little mute icon right here. I don't know if you could see that. Edges right here, they're like cut, and then on the old one it's round. And on the bottom looks like we got another mic hole. They no longer say share anymore, share and options like on the old one. It's just a little 3 lines here, and then these are vertical and these are horizontal. It has a speaker in the middle and the trackpad, but it doesn't have those little dots like this one has. For unboxing purposes, let's do this other one. Single controller. Please tell me it comes with a cable. I don't think it comes with a cable. That's crazy. Yeah, no cable. So it says right here, built-in microphone, enhanced sticks and touchpad, adaptive triggers. So the triggers get more tension or less tension depending what game you're playing, and then it has better haptic feedback compared to the older controller. But that was the unboxing, and for comparison purposes, I'm going to show you the size difference of this one and the old PS4. So this is the old PS4, this was the Pro, the Slim. That's it side by side compared to the PS5. And then if we lay them down, I mean, I know I put the base on there, but if we lay them down, you can see just how much of a difference it is. And then just for generational sake, let me get the PS3 for comparison. So that's all 3 systems together. This is a beefy dude right here, but we're gonna turn it on for you so you can see how fast it boots up. I'm gonna go through the setup process and everything, and then we'll check out how fast it boots into a game. Be right back. This is the first boot up of the PS5. I haven't booted it up yet. Kind of looks like the old school logo. All right, we got a controller here. Right now it's plugged into the system. English. All right, we're connecting to the internet right now. It says until the symbol is barely visible. Control the amount of power consumed. Continue. There's already a software update apparently. I want to see how fast it boots up into a game. You can see here how long it's taking for it to update. It's not that bad. I think it's pretty faster than the PS4. All right, push the PS button. New version of the wireless controller. I think I'm gonna use the PlayStation app to sign in really fast. All right, we're signed in. That was pretty easy through the app. I'll do team player. Yeah, I like that. Whatever, confirm and continue. To make your account more secure, whatever. After you enter a password, we'll send you a verification code that you enter on your console. I'll do text message. I don't even think I'm gonna use all of these just because I have an Apple TV and I don't want to put none of this on here, so we'll just leave Disney. Whatever. We'll just leave Disney for the Mandalorian, you know? So I guess you could do a data transfer from your old PS4, but we're not gonna do that right now because my console isn't plugged in and I just don't feel like doing that. I'll start fresh. Alright, so this is what the PS5 menu looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and change the camera angle and like get you guys a little closer to this. Here's the menu. You got Explorer, you got downloaded this while we were doing the settings, and then PlayStation Plus, and then PlayStation Now, the media gallery, Share Factory, Remote Play, and then you have your game library. Let's see. And then you got the PlayStation Store. So L1, R1 only switches tabs, kind of like switches the desktop from games to media, those 2 tabs. But to get into the settings on the right side, right next to the clock, you gotta go up and then scroll over, and you can search games, movies, whatever. And then settings right here. This is all your normal settings that you have. Still looks like the PS4 one. And then you got whatever your account is right here. We're gonna download this game right here, and once it's downloaded, I'll come back and then we'll see how fast it boots into it and how fast it boots into it from sleep. All right, so I've downloaded Lords of the Fallen. We're gonna go ahead and click play, see how fast it boots up into the game. Only gaming related pop-ups will appear. You can adjust the setting. Pretty cool. It's like when you're watching Netflix sometimes and it used to pop up like your friends are online. That was so annoying. So I guess they changed that in the way it works in the settings. But this is my first time booting this up, so I don't know how long it's gonna take, but what I really want to see is the shutdown to game start, like how fast that is, you know. So this is what it looks like when you're in game and you click the PlayStation button. You can see the home, the switcher. I guess that shows you the different games you can switch out of real fast. Notifications. This is your friends list. And then you got your music here, your sound. So the music you can connect Spotify. Sound, here's a mic. Yeah, so once you click mute, the light on the controller turns on right there. So if I unmute and then I mute, it'll turn on. And if you click it, it's a button as well. So if you click the button, it mutes that mic on the controller itself. And then we have accessories, and then your account and the power. And these are the different power states: rest mode, turn it off, and then restart. Let's see what happens when I boot another game. What I'll do is I'll download Warzone real fast. So the downloads are located in the PS5's menu when you click the PS button, and then it's gonna be down here, downloads and uploads. And then here you'll see all the downloads that are up. As you can see, Call of Duty has 5 downloads left, and I'm not gonna wait for it. But the game is still, you can still start the games. All right, so Warzone is officially installed. And here we are in the main menu of Warzone. And as you can see, I'm talking because the controller has a mic in it. And if I go ahead and push that mute button on the controller, and now I'm not talking anymore. But so if we're here in the main menu and then we do a PS button and we go into the game switcher right here, and this is the recent game I was playing earlier. So if we go back into that and we go to play, see how fast that takes. That's what I wanted to see. So it didn't go back into the state it was in. As you remember, we were in the main menu already. I think we were learning how to fight, I guess, in game. And so I guess the PlayStation 5 doesn't save the last state of the last game. But we're gonna try it again. Now that both things are downloaded, we're gonna go ahead and try it one more time. All right, so we're in the tutorial of this game right here. If we push the PS button and we go here to the switcher, I was just playing Call of Duty. We'll go back to play. So again, it does not go back to that other game state it was in, because as you recall, I was in the main menu. So the next thing I'm gonna try out before I end the video is seeing how fast it starts up from rest mode, and then seeing how fast we get back into the game. So let's start this game up. Go to the power. We're gonna go into rest mode. So there it goes, the PS5 is in rest mode. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it back on. All right, the PS5 is on, booting up from rest mode, and we're back in. We're even back in Call of Duty. I don't even know how long that took, but yeah, we're back in Call of Duty. So since Call of Duty has to refresh because it's an online game, I guess that's why it's doing all this, but that was pretty fast. It might have been like 1, 2, what was it, 3 seconds max? But Anyways, that's gonna do it for me. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button for me, and turn on those notification bells if you want to see more videos like this. I appreciate y'all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy PS5 day.